That EasyJet is off to Oslo using that A320ceo. Jet2 A321 Neo, that'll be coming down Victor Bravo, and they'll be going off to Corfu. Oh, that's the one that we want. Lee Manton's on this one. Lee, have a fantastic holiday, mate. That you over there? I can see one person there. Daniel Slack, hello there, mate. And Mob McGrath putting in at the Emirates is a couple of minutes out. It is currently about to turn on to finals, number 2 to come in. Calvin Lou, good morning to you, and Lucas Brammer saying a very good morning to you all. Well, good morning to you, mate. And thanks as well, Mike, about EK21. Ryanair's arrived.